Hello students, this is Randir sir here. The 12th standard students, they are going to learn a very first lesson in their textbooks which name is An Astrologer's Day. This lesson is written by a famous Indian writer R.K. Narayanan, who is nominated the several awards by the Indian government. He has written several books which is the famous in Indian point of view. The famous book Malgudi Days is well known for the all Indians because the serial was shown on the television before the 2000. Now we have to learn the icebreaker parts of this lesson, which is very important to learn the next part which comes in our lesson. The very first part in icebreakers point is discuss with your partner and complete the activity. What are your strength? The very first question is asked here about your strength. Strength means the ability you have to do something which is you are master in that. That's called the strength. Suppose someone who is best in cricket, he can say that his strength is cricketer or a batsman or a bowler, whatever. The next point, why do you feel so? Many people, they have belief in their strength because of they have the ability, they have perfection in the particular field, therefore they believe they are able to in this particular field. The next part, the next column is dream career. Which career is suitable for your strength? The career options you have to write here. The first one is already given in our textbooks. Painting and drawing. This is the strength of someone. Why the strength is given and why do he feel about it? Because of can visualize the pictures or express the pictures. Therefore, he has chosen a dream career, commercial artist or cartoonist. This profession he can choose for himself. In the other way, we can say also the other strength of the public, someone who are good in dance. The strength of the person is dancing. Why do he feel that? Because of passion of and expressions, the movement of body. These things shows the strength of the person. The career is means dream career he can do the choreographer or artist. The another point of strength is singing. The strength of someone who is good in singing, therefore he feel that voice modulation, all things that is shown different from others, very good voice of person. The career as a singer he can choose him for himself. Okay, the next question. The scene in a local market of a village or town, city is very attractive. People with different occupation sell their ware. Discuss with your partner the variety of activities of the local market. The first one is already given in our textbooks. Selling flowers, selling grocery, purchasing and selling things, transportation of goods, selling vegetables and fruits, selling useful things, movement of persons and handcards. These are the other options that we notice in our local market. The another question that's asked in our icebreaker part. In a village or town, city, it is quite a common sight to see an astrologer sitting by the roadside with the professional equipment. Discuss with your partner and list the requirement for his trade. The first one is already given here, parrot and card, etc. The other things he carry always himself, that is cowrie shells, Oscar things, clothes, malas, flowers, etc. Lemon, green chili, sindoor, book, photos of Daitya, and wands. These things he carry regularly with him because it's required to tell the astrology future of the public. The another question: there are certain unreasonable beliefs among people living in our society. Certain common events are linked with superstitions. List such events, discuss the superstitions linked with them, and the means of their eradication. The first one is already given: a cat crossing your path. The other superstitions things are to take the salt on your palm, hang black doll on the door, to kill the cat. These are the superstitions followed by the society people. Now actually lesson that we have to learn: an astrologer's day. Punctually at midday, he opened his bag and spread out his professional equipment. It means midday afternoon time. He opened his bag and spread out his professional equipment. Equipment means the things he used to tell the forecast or the future of the people, which consists of a dozen cowrie shells, a square piece of cloth with obscure mystic charts on it. या ठिकाणी भविष्य सांगणारा व्यक्ती आपल्या भविष्य सांगण्यासाठी लागणाऱ्या साधनांचा इथे उल्लेख करत आहे. कावरी शेल्स मीन्स अ सी ॲनिमल. जनरली सी ॲनिमल शेल, कावरी शेल यूज बाय द ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर. अ स्क्वेअर पीस ऑफ क्लॉथ्स, चौकोनी आकाराचे कपड्याचे तुकडे विथ ऑब्स्क्युअर मिस्टिक चार्ट्स, आणि जे असे चमत्कारिक कापडाच्या किंवा मॅजिक वॉन्ड्स यासारख्या वस्तू तो सोबत बाळगत आणि त्या दुपारी त्याने त्या ठिकाणी मांडलेल्या आहेत. अ नोटबुक अँड अ बंडल ऑफ पॅल्मेरा रायटिंग. पॅल्मेरा मीन्स अ काइंड ऑफ पाम. इट मीन्स ज्योतिषशास्त्राची हातावरील हस्तरेषा बघून आपलं भविष्य वर्तवण्याची जी कला असते त्या वर्तवण्यासाठी त्याने एक साध्या स्वरूपाचा पंजा बनवलेला आहे. हिज फोरहेड वॉज रिस्प्लेंडंट विथ स्केअर ॲश अँड व्हर्मिलेन. त्याच्या कपाळावरती चमकदार अशा भगवा रंग त्याने लावलेला होता. म्हणजेच त्या कपाळावरती त्याने ऑक्शन केलेलं होतं. अँड हिज आईज स्पार्कल विथ अ शार्प abnormal gleam which was really an outcome of a continual searching look for customers. आणि तो त्याची नजर आपल्याकडे येणाऱ्या कस्टमर्सकडे त्याची नजर लावलेली होती. बट विच हिज सिम्पल क्लायंट्स took to be a prophetic light and felt comfort. Generally, he tells the past life of the people and the future life of the people very great skill. Therefore, many customers attract towards him. The power of his eyes was considerably enhanced by their position place as they were between the painted forehead and the dark which streamed down his cheeks. His face was covered with the turban and the dark whiskers on his face that looks very good to him. To crown the effect, he would a saffron color turban around his head. This color scheme, this color scheme never failed. People were stars. He sat under the bough of a spreading tamarind tree which flanked a path running through the town hall park. The position of the astrologers is given here. He sat under the tamarind tree, which was very important place for the villagers, because of which flanked a path running through the town hall. It was a remarkable place in many ways. A surging crowds was always moving up and down this narrow road from morning till night. The buzz of people were there regularly because the main way to leads two places, village and town hall. A variety of trades and occupation. Trades means here business, and occupations was represented all along its way. Medicine sellers, sellers of stolen hardware and junk, magicians, and above all, an auctioneer of cheap clothes who created enough din all day to attract the whole town.